In the fast-paced world of today, gut health is essential to general well-being. Often called the second brain, the stomach is essential to immune system function, nutrition absorption, and digestion. But before we start, we'll understand what gut health is. The gut typically refers to the gastrointestinal tract, a complex system within the human body responsible for the digestion and absorption of food. It encompasses a series of organs, including the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, colon. In today's video, we will explore 13 powerful tips that can help you optimize your gut health naturally. Number 1. Drink plenty of water. Water is essential since dehydration can cause severe problems for your digestive tract. For your body to be properly hydrated, you should consume 3 or more liters of water each day. Water is used by your intestines to move the broken down waste through the system and into an easily expelled form. Constipation and an increase of toxins in the body are caused by a continuously low water intake. This increases your chance of experiencing more severe digestive problems as a result. Thus, make sure you actively set up time each day at regular intervals to drink the required quantity of water. Don't wait to be thirsty. Number 2. Chew your food. Chewing is an important but often neglected habit. Eat the food completely to aid in digestion because it should be liquid before swallowing. You should take your time breaking down the meal in your saliva since it contains the enzymes needed for proper digestion. You have no teeth in your stomach. There is a lot of work to be done in the mouth in order to effectively digest. Digestion becomes difficult when you eat quickly or gulp down your meal. Eat slowly, enjoy it, and thoroughly chew your food. Number 3. Eliminate the use of processed foods. Processed foods cause serious digestive system challenges. Remember that your body won't recognize an element if you don't recognize it on the label. Because processed foods are high in anti-nutrients, your body needs to use up all of its available nutrients in order to enable them to be utilized. This also causes your body to expend more energy than it should. You'll have less energy if you consume more processed meals. Eat as many whole foods as you can. Number 4. Include probiotics in your diet. Dark chocolate, soy milk, and yogurt are a few examples of foods high in probiotics. Live bacteria and yeast are known as probiotics, and they are good for your digestive system. They protect the body from the negative effects of stress, antibiotics, and bad food. Additionally, they support a stronger immune system, improve nutrition absorption, and may even aid in the treatment of irritable bowel syndrome. Eat foods that are naturally high in probiotics, even though your body already contains them. Number 5. Always be grateful. You can trigger the release of saliva and prepare your digestive system for eating by pausing briefly before you eat and reflecting, either by counting your blessings, or practicing gratitude, or by taking a few deep breaths. Additionally, it relaxes the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps you reduce stress, another issue that affects the digestive tract. Better digestion results from relaxation. Number 6. Create a consistent eating schedule. Numerous studies have revealed that people with IBS are more likely to skip meals and have irregular eating patterns. It is a common disorder that affects the stomach and intestines, also called the gastrointestinal tract. IBS symptoms may be triggered by skipping meals or going for extended periods of time without eating before consuming large meals. Consider creating a more regular routine and eating small, everyday meals. Number 7. Identify and eliminate food sensitivities. Bloating and gas are frequently caused by food sensitivities. It's absolutely worth a try to cut out common food irritants like eggs, nightshade vegetables, dairy, gluten, and soy from your diet if you haven't previously. You can experiment by consuming each meal one at a time and observing if your body reacts after 2 to 3 weeks of elimination. Indigestion or heartburn, nausea, gas, bloating, constipation, or loose stools are typical symptoms. It can also involve skin irritations like acne or hives. Diet Coke and artificial sweeteners are another typical source of problems. We advise giving up the use of these products if you haven't already. Number 8. Start the day with a detoxing drink. First thing in the morning, drink a glass of warm water with lemon will help clear your system of toxins, improve digestion, and reset your bowel movements. To aid in stimulating digestion, try using organic apple cider vinegar before meals if you have bloating or reflux in particular. Before eating, dissolve half a teaspoon in a little water, swish, and drink. Eating the appropriate food is an excellent approach to get rid of toxins, in addition to detoxifying your body with liquids. Number 9. Bad habits should go. Smoking and drinking alcohol are two bad habits that are bad for your digestive system. If you must, proceed with cautiously and in small doses. Smoking frequently results in ulcers and acid reflux. Even gastric cancer may result from it. Because of its high acidity, it also makes heartburn more likely. Avoid late-night binges and snacking as well. They have no bearing on maintaining the health of the digestive tract. Number 10. Eat when you're truly starving. Apart from being susceptible for weight gain, eating while not hungry is problematic since it makes you feel bloated and uneasy. Your stomach's natural digestive enzymes can only fully break down food when it is completely empty. Make a sincere effort to distinguish between eating for necessity and eating for habit. Since it takes that long for food to be properly absorbed, wait 3 to 4 hours between meals. It'll make a huge difference in how you feel overall. Number 11. Give yourself some time to relax, breathe, or take a gentle walk after meals. Before we've taken our last bite, a lot of us toss our dishes in the sink and head out the door. However, shifting gears so quickly impairs the body's capacity to absorb nutrients. It also lowers circulation and stops the stomach's blood flow. You don't have to go swimming right after you eat. Just don't race around or dive back into work the second you're done either. Number 12. Exercise. It is undeniable that physical activities like cycling and jogging are good for the body. They benefit your digestive system as well. Any form of regular exercise guarantees healthy digestion and keeps bloating and constipation away. You may even start practicing proper posture and deep breathing. This will lessen the likelihood of experiencing heartburn. Pick a workout that you enjoy for a body and gut. Number 13. Eat 5 to 7 portions of veggies and fruits each day. When it comes to putting additional fruits and vegetables into your diet, take risks and use your creativity. Fill your plate with colors ranging from deep green to red. Make sure your meals are loaded with plenty of fresh produce. Plant-based diets are high in fiber and packed with compounds that fight disease. Improved digestive health has been associated with a high-fiber diet. Select fish or poultry over red meat more often, and avoid processed meats such as hot dogs, bacon, and salami. Following these tips can help you keep your digestion in check and cleanse your stomach. What's your favorite way to keep your digestive system healthy? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.